subscribe and press the bell icon and never miss any updates from Jellyface.
She always tells me one thing that never lie in your life and never hide anything from your parents or anyone, even its friends or anything. She has always taught me to speak the truth, and maybe my nature is that's why it's very straightforward, and I don't care if people feel that I'm doing something wrong, but then if my heart doesn't says, अगर मेरे दिल ने मुझे बोला है कि ये सही है, so hook or crook I will do it, and but I will never lie to anyone in my life. What makes her happy? I think एक माँ अपने बच्चे के हर चीज़ पे खुश होती है, and the way I have grown in my life, उसे सारी चीज़ें पसंद है. The way I have been in my house, the way I have been a pillar of my house, I think she has loved the most. She didn't expect, क्योंकि मैं बहुत spoiled brat थी, and I was the one who used to never talk nicely, and I used to be always harsh and all. I think life has taught me a lot of things, and that is what my mom has liked about me, कि मैंने अपने life के challenges को बहुत positively लिया, और अपने कामयाबी के लिए जो भी एक स्टेप होता था वो मैंने अच्छे नोट पे लेकर उसे पूरा किया. सो या आई थिंक माय पॉजिटिविटी इज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. So a lot of my habits are like my dad, but yeah, one major habit of her is being very emotional. It's like she cries when she feels hurted or something. So yeah, I think that is the nature what I've got from her. I also cry on small things, and majorly people when goes away from my life or just fights with me, I cry on very small thing, because for us the small things are the most important thing in our life. We are siblings, 3 siblings, including me. So I am the major one who used to get, like, till standard 6th, I used to be the one who used to get a lot of scolding, who have got a lot of beaten up by my mom. Because I'm a papa ki pari hu main, so my dad is a very bindas man. I call him Michael. So I have done a lot of. He has never stopped me from anything, and I've done a lot of things that I used to be not so proud of. So yeah, I think I am the one whom she has scolded, and especially the reason was I used to not listen to her. I used to always answer her back. I used to till 6th standard, not now. I think this situation, like, इसे मैं इसी तरह बोल सकती हूँ कि वो सिचुएशन ऐसा था. Nobody in our family wanted me to be in this profession, or neither my mom or dad, anyone. But I think खाने के लिए इंसान को काम करना ज़रूरी है. वो काम कोई भी हो, छोटा हो या बड़ा हो, इंडस्ट्री हो या बिजनेस हो, काम होता है. So they didn't actually give me a bad, they just supported me. उन्होंने support किया, because end of the day घर पे ही रोटी आती थी. So I think that was the positive thing about my mom and my dad. So yeah, she never questioned me for this profession. Me and my mom has poles apart, and I don't think so there's a common thing between us. I am a one who mess things in the house, and she's the one who always keeps it clean. I am the one who doesn't like to cook food, and she loves cooking food. I am the one she doesn't much talk, but I'm the most talkative person. I try to explain, and she makes things always let go. So I think we both are poles apart, and nothing matches. I don't know really, but I would really like to cook for her, or else do something and ask her to be like doing nothing and just take a rest, live like a princess for a day, and just for a day, not every day. I'm not going to cook every day, so I'll be doing that mostly. And my sister is gonna kind of do a cake or something. Let's see. We have just thought about it, but usually we don't get this day to celebrate because I'm usually working. 8th May is my mom dad's anniversary, so usually they celebrate this day, and the Mother's Day has not been celebrated in my house much because I think every day is a Mother's Day for me because she's there. That's why I am here. वो नहीं होती तो मैं यहाँ पे होती नहीं, ना ही मैं इस चीज़ के बारे में आपको बता सकती. So celebrating is not more important. It's about the feeling what you have for your mother. No matter what there is wrong or right, I think it's just speak up and share things with your mom. लाइफ में सिर्फ मॉम ही है जो हमारे फ्रेंड जोन में हमें लेकर जाती है, एंड शी हेल्प्स अस इन एवरी राइट और रॉन्ग स्टफ. I would not even give a message to my mom, but I would just give a message to the entire world, I think. So the one we are living in, Dharti Ma, is also our mother. So each and every species who have been born, so it is for all their moms. That thank you very much for being a part of our life. Thank you for raising us. Thank you for giving so much love and unconditional love. And we are alive and we are feeling happy, we are feeling sad. It is all, but you are the one who always take all our tears, wipe our tears, soak our tears. So there is no words to express or thank, but I would seriously say thank you very much for being everyone's mother.
Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Teleface.